So, what is the Green Team? The Green Team is a group of students interested in helping Leon Middle School, their households, and their community in becoming more sustainable. Even through all the struggles we face currently, we need to join together to fight climate change and pollution, of which threaten our future. Each and every one of us can do something positive in our everyday lives. I truly believe that small steps can add up.
Right now, I'm standing on a former auto and lumber yard. A few years ago, a group of 7 teachers banded together to persuade the local government and the wastewater company to work together to turn this into a green community park where everyone can enjoy and the company can still run the plant. This really shows that when banded together, individuals can do great things and really make a difference.
First thing I did with Green Team members was to find your water footprint. If I cut out 10% of my daily water footprint, I would save 160 gallons. If 10 Green Team members were to cut out 10% of their daily net water, it would save 1,600 gallons. If Green Team members would all spread the word to 10 people, we would save tens of thousands of gallons of water.